Under our setup, Clients tab, and under Client Types, we want to make sure that the client type we want to access videos are created. And you might want to set ones up for both pass holder types and member types, just in the event that you have different uses for them. Maybe some of them you'll create a session pass, some of them you'll create a member type. So in that case, I will probably just go under each and maybe call this a video access only pass holder, right? We can maybe do a V for this, and sure, we'll keep it as blue. And then maybe we can go ahead and create another one called video access only member. And we'll also make it a V, but the color is different, so we can differentiate between member versus pass holders. And once we have these client types created, we can then go into our store configuration and purchase options. And I'll just choose one of them as an example to create for you. So let's say I'm creating a membership because I want the clients to continually have access to these videos, but maybe it's like a monthly subscription versus maybe a session pass could be, you know what, they're paying for access just to access the videos maybe just for 7 days or access the videos just for 10 days. Then maybe we can create it as a session pass so that they just pay one time up front versus a membership. We're going to put them onto a recurring payment. So just some things to think about here. So let's say if I go and create a membership, so in terms of the service category, we want to make sure that it's selected as classes and events, because if we go with appointments, it forces the staff member to have to select at least one appointment to give access to. With classes and events, that's the only option that we can select none for. So this is a very important step. Classes and events. Let's say we're going to create maybe video access online membership, right? Let's say it's like monthly. Let's say it's a 6 month subscription. Okay, so we're gonna name it Video Access Online Membership, 6 months. Again, we can put a description if we want. For now, we don't need that. Duration of the membership, it's a 6 month membership, so we'll change it over to 6 months. And let's say the client has to pay once every month within the 6 months. So we'll just leave it as auto payments every 1 month starting on the sale date. And let's say we're gonna charge them, let's say $30 every month to access our videos. Great. Charge taxes or not. So we can see here summary. Clients will make 6 payments of $33.90. And let's just say in this case, we're going to go ahead and auto renew them. If they don't let us know they want to cancel, great. We can leave it as is. And then online store category, if there isn't one created already, go ahead and create it afterwards and come back to assign it. I'm just going to assign it to one for now. Okay, coming down advanced settings, whether we allow people to buy this or not. So all of these should be pretty familiar to you because we've covered these in our purchase option settings. And then coming down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, access to classes and access to events. If this purchase option is specifically just so that clients can access videos, we want to make sure that both of these are marked as none. So no access to classes, no access to events. Okay. Gym access, leave it as none as well. And then down here, this will be the next important thing, member type. When this purchase option is purchased, mark client as, we then want to go ahead and select the new client tab we just created just for video access so that whoever buys this purchase option, they will automatically become this specific member type. Okay, so those are kind of like your main things here. The other stuff is more optional for the staff member to set it up however they like. Maybe we have a maybe video purchases, all right? Maybe that's something that we can call it. So once we save this, the purchase option is done, right? They will automatically be that specific client type. Then the next thing would be making sure that under our FItVid on-demand video categories, whichever ones they have access to, we just probably want to make sure that we go and edit and select video access pass holders as well for all of these. Sorry, besides pass holders, probably the member as well. Right? So we just want to make sure that all these steps are done so that when they do buy the purchase options, they have access to the videos that we want them to have access to. Okay, perfect. So we checked everything, everything looks good. And that's it. That's how you can set up a purchase option for clients to only view videos without having access to classes and or events online.